A day in my life. Good morning. Ayan, ang gloomy ng Saturday. So, for today's agenda, I'm about to go to Makati. So, for my AM schedule, I'm about to meet Ate Che. So, it's been too long. It's been 2 years since we saw each other. And I'm so excited kasi for sure ang dami namin kailangan i-catch up sa isa't isa. So, mag-meet kami sa Butter Manila. So, ayan, I wanna show you 3rd floor ng Glorieta. So, I wanna show you how it looks like. So, it's very minimalist, aesthetic lang yung place, and Instagrammable. When it comes to prices, budget-friendly and affordable. And so, sweet tooth ako, nag-order ako ng lemon cake, and si Ate Che naman ube ensaymada. Ang sarap, guys. And for the coffee, hindi siya masyado matamis. So good. And eto, sa Ate Che, yan, nag-usap ko na miss namin isa't isa. So, graveyard shift kasi si Ate Che, so she needs to go home. So, selfie lang ako dyan. And since healthy suit ko, backless, nilamig ako, guys. Ayoko magkasipon, so no choice, umorder akong damit sa H&M. And then, at this point, nakauwi na si Ate Che, naantay ko naman yung friend ko si Aaron kasi pupunta kami sa Mamu kasi doon kami magla-lunch. And then, ayan, nag-selfie muna yung mga early birds. Ayan yung mga photos namin, guys. And then, nag-serve sila ng appetizers. And then, nag-order kami ng Angus beef ribeye steak. And then, truffle pasta. And then, wala lang. Pinicturean ko lang for the cloud chest. So, ayan yung mga food namin. And then, may bologna pasta. So, when it comes to price, yes, pricey po siya. But, it's worth the experience. So, nag-stroll muna kami sa Rockwell. Nagpunta kami sa Ami just to check out since medyo popular tong brand na to nowadays. And then, nag-coffee muna kami. Nagchikahan, ganun. And then, nakita namin si Mikey tsaka si CK. Ayan, nag-selfie muna kami dyan, ganyan. Nagpunta kami sa One Ayala, nag-stroll, and then nagpunta ako sa Dulces kasi gusto na mami ng pastries, pero however, walang donut. So, nag-end up, dito na lang kaming bubili ng pastries pang pasalubong sa Mom and Tina. So, beside lang siya ng Dulces. So, ayan yung pastries na binili ko. Gusto naman ni Mami, happy siya. And then, I'm so glad kasi naka 12.3 steps ako for today. Yun lang.